Hi! In front of me is VIVO X90 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize the theme of your keyboard on this device. You need to begin by accessing your keyboard. Following that, click on this gear icon next to three dots. Then select Theme. Now you can scroll all the way down and click on Show More at the bottom right corners. This way you'll see all available themes. When you finished, tap on the best one for you. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher. And save your keyboard by tapping on Apply. So when I do that and go back, I can see that theme of mine has changed. In order to customize it though, click on the same gear icon, go into Theme section, but this time select this plus under My Themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then tap on Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage key borders and tap on Apply. If you want to edit your custom keyboard, click on it and tap on this pen icon. Make your changes and select Save. Remember to click on Apply again. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!